What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to add products to Amazon Influencer page. First thing you should do is to open your Amazon Influencer page. Then what you should do right now is to create an idea list. To do that, go to create content, then choose idea list. And after that, you will have to enter a title for your idea list. So I'm gonna name it, for example, t-shirts. Then I'm gonna type what is the idea list about, just a small description. Now you have to add at least 2 products. So click on add products and you can simply choose from another idea list or from your orders or your browse history or even your subscription. So I'm gonna browse in the history. I'm gonna choose men's t-shirts, for example. Then I'm gonna add 2 of these t-shirts. I'm gonna add this one here and this one. After that, click on done. And here, as you can see, you have created the idea list. All you have to do right now is to click on submit in order to save it. And you can simply get the link of the idea list and give it to anyone that want to buy this product. Now I clicked on copy link. Now you can also go back and paste the link of the idea list, and you can also click on these 3 dots right here and click on edit and edit this idea list whenever you want. You can add more products or you can change its name, change the description. You can also click on view storefront in order to show it on your storefront. And how does it look for the people who enter your storefront? Now, when you also want to add some videos and photos, you can click on post photo and video. Then after that, it will show you this option right here. You just have to drag or select up to 50 media files, but this will take some time in order to be uploaded. And also Amazon itself will have to approve this type of content. So you have to know that you will wait for a couple of minutes or hours till this content is approved. And after that, it will be uploaded and it will be visible. But make sure before you drag or select any media files, make sure that they have these formats right here: MP4, MOV, JPEG, PNG, BMP, and they are under 5 gigabytes for the videos and under 20 megabytes for the photos. Videos and photos are very good in order to show a good review about the product. You can also use live streaming in order to review your product, but you should first download the application on your phone in order to use the live stream feature. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.